Hey everyone, in today's video, I will be teaching guys watching of how to play Monopoly Go with friends in 2025 on your mobile phone. Simply open the Monopoly Go application, Then in the top or in the bottom right corner, you will see a friends tab. Open that and then you will have an option of add friends. You can add friends by clicking on this search button and then uh okay you will enter their friend code that they have sent you. See that we all have a unique friend code, and to add your friends or to make your friends add them, click on this orange button and just simply share to your friends that you have added on your contact that you want to play Monopoly Go with, and then they will go to their application, click on this a green button, and then simply copy your code and search for it, and a friend request will come to you, and then you can accept it, such as this, and then you will queue a game together and play together all much you want. So yeah, this is how you can easily play with friends in Monopoly Go 2025. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. That's all from my side.